Welcome back to Miraz Tech. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating piece of open source technology that's changing the way we interact with robotics and artificial intelligence. Meet the Pollen Robotics Reachy Mini, a compact desktop robot designed for creators, developers, and innovators who want to explore real-world AI from the comfort of their workspace. Reachy Mini is more than just a robot. It's a creative platform. It opens new possibilities in human-robot interaction, letting users program, test, and share custom AI applications. Whether you're a student learning Python, a hobbyist exploring robotics, or a professional prototyping AI tools, Reachy Mini offers a powerful and flexible environment to bring your ideas to life. Let's start with one of its strongest features, programming with Python. Python is one of the most widely used languages in AI and robotics, and Reachy Mini is built to support it fully. With Python, you can control the robot's every movement, program behaviors, and build projects that respond to real-world data. This makes it accessible for beginners while still offering the depth advanced developers need. But it doesn't stop at just writing code. Reachy Mini allows you to quickly prototype your AI applications using integrated open source tools. This means you can go from a basic concept to a working robot without needing expensive software or complicated setups. It's designed to support rapid testing and iteration, so you can refine your ideas in real time. Another great feature is the ability to explore community-created applications. Reachy Mini connects you to a global library of apps and tools built by other users just like you. This growing collection allows you to try out new functions, learn from existing projects, and even remix ideas into something new. It's a fantastic way to save time and boost creativity by building on what others have already created. And if you build something unique, you can share your creation with the community. Reachy Mini makes it easy to upload your custom apps to a global space where others can view, test, and provide feedback. It's not just about building alone, it's about building together. This kind of collaboration fuels innovation and helps everyone grow. Before your Reachy Mini even arrives at your desk, you can start working. That's because it comes with simulation tools that allow you to test your code at home. You don't have to wait for the hardware to build. The simulator mirrors the robot's behavior, helping you prepare your project in advance, so when it does arrive, you can jump straight into action. Reachy Mini is designed with real-world interaction in mind. It's compact but powerful, ideal for education, research, rapid prototyping, and creative experimentation. Whether you're building a voice-controlled assistant, testing computer vision, or creating artistic robotic performances, Reachy Mini gives you a platform to explore and innovate. It's also fully open source. This means you're not locked into proprietary systems. You can customize the hardware, software, and functionality to suit your unique goals. You own your project from start to finish. So if you've ever wanted to get into robotics, build smarter AI applications, or just create something cool and interactive, Reachy Mini is a fantastic place to begin. It's fun, accessible, and backed by a growing supportive community. Thanks for tuning in to Miraz Tech. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions or ideas about Reachy Mini? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're building. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and stay curious.